Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2 chapter number 5 exercise 5b, that is about solving quadratic equation by factorization. In this lesson we will learn how to apply quadratic equation in solving real world problems. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what is the expression for two consecutive numbers. For two consecutive numbers, you have to take the expression x and x plus 1. Then the formulas for the area and perimeter of geometrical shapes. For example, area of rectangle, formula for the area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and perimeter will be equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Let's move to the question. Question 5 says the difference between two numbers is 9 and the product of the numbers is 162. Find the numbers. The difference between two numbers. So we have to think about two numbers. Suppose the smaller number, let the smaller number equals to x, and the larger number or bigger number equals to x plus 9. Because when I'm taking away x from x plus 9, my difference is 9. Then the second part is the product of the numbers is 162. Product means that we have to multiply these two numbers. So what I will be doing, according to condition, I have to write it x into x plus 9 equals to 162. Now I have to multiply this x which is outside the bracket with every term inside the bracket. It will become x square plus 9x equals to 162, or it's better to bring 162 to other side and make it a standard quadratic equation. Now the expression which is on the left hand side is the standard quadratic expression. What I can do, I can apply hit and trial method over here to factorize this quadratic equation. So what I have to do is I have to multiply this 162 by the coefficient of the square term, that is 1, and my product comes 162 with minus sign. Make the prime factors of 162. So the factors become 2 8s are and 2 1s are. Then I hope table of 3 is suitable. 3 2s are 6, and I'm left with 2, and 3 7s are 21, and then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now the factors are 3 3 3. I'm getting the factors 1 2 3, 4 times 3 and 2. Now I have to set the factors in such a way that I can get 9 and 162 at the same time. So what I'm doing, I'm taking 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 at one place and 9 at one place, because 162, 18 minus 9 can give me 9, and 18 multiplied by 9 is 162. So divide this expression into 4 terms, plus 18x minus 9x minus 162 equals to 0. Make the groups of like terms and extract some common factor or number. From the first group I can extract x out and x plus 18. From the second group I can pull out 9 outside. 9 into x plus 18 equals to 0. Now I can see that this x plus 18 is the common group. Pull it out. X plus 18 is the common group. Pull it out, and inside the bracket I have to write x minus 9 equals to 0. Let's move towards this side. Now I have to apply either our condition, either x plus 18 equals to 0 or x minus 9 equals to 0. This will give me x equals to minus 18 or x equals to 9. Now I'm getting here the two solutions of this quadratic equation. Now read the question. Question says difference between the two numbers. Here the question does not say the positive numbers. So the other number can be, if I'm taking x equals to minus 18, then my other number, second number can be x plus 9, which is equal to minus 18 plus 9, which is equal to minus 9. And if I'm taking my value of x9, then the second number can be x plus 9, which is equal to 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. So these are the expected answers for this question. Now let's move to the next question. Next question says the perimeter of the rectangular campsite is 64 meters. Perimeter is 64 meter and its area is 207 meters square. Find the length and breadth of this rectangular campsite. There are two informations given. One is about the perimeter and the second one is about the area. Second one is about the area. So we have to think about the formulas of perimeter and area. We know formula of perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Instead of perimeter, I have to replace the values. 64 equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Shift this 2 to other side, it will become 32 equals to length plus breadth. Now my second equation can be area equals to length multiplied by breadth. And the answer or value of area which is given in the question is 207 L multiplied by B, or length multiplied by breadth. If we look at both the equations are in two variables. So it's important to make the equation in one variable. What we can do is that from the perimeter equation, I can make either the length the subject of formula or breadth the subject of formula. So if I'm making the length subject of formula, that I'm keeping length over here and shifting breadth to the other side, I will get the expression 32 minus B. So in the equation of area, instead of length, I will replace the expression 32 minus B. 207 will be equal to 32 minus B into B. Now quickly multiply this B, which is outside. 32B minus B square equals to 207. Make it a standard quadratic equation. That shift this B square, 207 plus B square. I'm shifting these two terms towards this side, minus 32B equals to 0. Rearrange and make it a standard quadratic equation. B square minus 32B plus 207 equals to 0. Now this is the standard quadratic equation. Make the suitable factors of 207, that is 207, 7 plus 2, 9. The smallest divisor suitable will be 3. 3 6 18. I'm left with 2, and 3 how many times? 3 9s are 27, 69. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 23 is our prime number, so I cannot move further. 3 and 23. Now I have to set these three factors in such a way that when I'm multiplying, I'm getting two such numbers that can give me 207, and when I'm adding or subtracting, I'm getting 32 with negative sign. If I'm taking 23 and 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 1, 32. So here the problem is that what sign I'm going to attach with 23 and what sign I'm going to attach with 9. Both will be negative because my middle term is negative. Now coming to this middle part, B square minus 23B minus 9b plus 207 equals to 0. Make the groups of like terms. Extract common letter or number. B minus 23 minus 9 outside, and B, when from 207 I'm taking away 9 outside. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27, so 23 over here. As we have the positive sign here and we have extracted minus out, so the sign over here will be negative, equals to 0. Again, B minus 23 is the common group. Extract it out, pull it out. B minus 9 equals to 0. Either B minus 23 equals to 0 or breadth B minus 9 equals to 0. This will give me B equals to 23 or B equals to 9. We are getting two positive values of breadth. Now when the breadth is 23, what will be the value of length? Length will be equal to 32 minus 23. 12 minus 3 is 9. Length will be equal to 9. And when my breadth is 9, then length will be 32 minus 9, and 12 minus 9 is 3, and length is 23. I hope you are clear about these two questions. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.